After you deploy or import switches with AmpCon-Campus, you can manage the lifecycle of these switches. In this video, we will learn how to upgrade PicOS, return or decommission switches, and safely remove them from your network. To upgrade PicOS on a single switch, click Resource Upgrade Management, select the target PicOS image, find your switch in the list, click Upgrade, and confirm by clicking Yes. To upgrade PicOS on multiple switches, click Resource Upgrade Management, choose the target PicOS image, select the switches from the list, click Upgrade, and confirm to start the upgrade process. To verify the upgrade in the switch list, locate the switch and then check the upgrade status column to see whether the status is upgrade. It may take a few minutes to load the status, and you can click refresh to get the newest status. For returning merchandise authorization, you can click Service Switch to see a list of managed switches. Locate the switch to RMA, click Lifecycle Actions RMA, and input the staging option, the new switch's SN, and a system configuration that includes its default username and password. To decom a switch, click Service Switch and locate the switch. Click Lifecycle Actions and select Decom. Click Yes to confirm the deletion. To remove a switch, click Service Switch, find the target switch, select Lifecycle Actions, Remove, and click Yes to confirm the deletion. You can visit fs.com to view more specific configurations in the AmpCon-Campus Management Platform User Manual.